Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this video, I will explain you how you can, detect plagiarism using our Google SERP API. Let's get started with it. So this is our Google Search Scraper API, and using this API, you can scrape Google SERP data with ease, and you can start testing this API or using this API by just a simple sign up. Just sign up using your Google email or with your business email. So once you are signed up, you will be redirected to your dashboard, and the dashboard will look like this. This is how the Google search scraper looks like. If you want to use the APIs, you can just let's say I just want to type Scrapingdog. So you can either test it over here, or you can just copy the code from over here and paste it in your working environment. So for this example, I'm going to use the Python code for testing the plagiarism. I will head to my code editor and show you how this all works with Scrapingdog's Google SERP API. So I am on my code editor, and this is my Python code. So this is a very simple code. Let me just explain you. So this is where I am, importing my Python libraries. This is my API key. You have to use your own API key over here, and this is the text I'm, testing our API to check whether it is a plagiarism text or not. This is where I am making the GET request to our / Google endpoint. This is where I am making the GET request. I'm collecting the response, then printing it. Let's just remove that part. Then the main logic is over here. What I'm doing is I'm breaking the text into small 3-word phrase. Then I send each as a query to the SERP API over here. It if the phrase appears in the search result snippets, it prints the match URL if found over here. So let's run this code and see what happens. Python blade py. Let's run it. So the code implementation is over, and we find out that we did not found any plagiarism within this particular text. Let's try some different text. I'm using a small text now, which is web scraping with Python. Let's test this code over this text. So when I run the code over this text, I found that there was a match, and the URL was this. First of all, I got this URL, and then I got another URL from Reddit.com. So actually, this is how a sample code looks like for testing the is plagiarized or not. This is the most basic approach. Of course, you can apply this same logic into your own environment. Of course, your logic could be similar or somewhat similar. So now, if you have any questions regarding this particular API from Scrapingdog.com or any other API from Scrapingdog, then you can reach out to me at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.